everybody, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to this try on haul video. So today I'm trying on these pajamas that I bought from Goodwill on Monday for $1. So I got this set for $1. It is blue. It is by Eddie Bauer, which is a good brand, and it was $1. This is a size small. I'm just not noticing when I'm filming for the video that it's a size small, but it fits just fine. And yeah, I like the material, I like the color, and I liked the price. $1. Make you holla. So you guys, next up I have on these exercise pants by TUFF Athletics in a size large. They're like a purple color with some pink in it. And they are very comfortable. They have a little zip pocket on the side for you to be able to put your keys or some money or anything that you want to put in them. And they are very comfy. And also I am wearing this little shirt. It's by Calvin Klein. And it's in an extra large. It's also very comfy as well. I did wash all the clothes before I tried them on. And I washed this with a colored shirt that I didn't think was going to fade. And it did fade a little bit. So I will be washing this shirt and a couple of more items that are white with a little Clorox in them to get the stains out or the color. So it could be a little more crisp. So both of these items were $1 a piece. Next up, you guys, we have on these blue exercise pants, blue on blue on blue, and they are very good fitting as well. I didn't have any this color, so yeah, I picked these up. And again, everything that you see here are $1. They are in good condition, and I don't know what length you call these. If you know the length that you call these particular pants, let me know in the comments below. Okay, you guys, next up we have these white Levi shorts that I picked up a couple of weeks ago. I don't think I ever tried them on for you guys because I don't know if I did or not, but I just got through washing them. So if I did try them on, I'm trying them on again to show you how they fit. And again, these are Levi's. And next up I have on this green and orange shirt. And yeah, I like the style of this shirt. I like the way it fits. And it was just $1. The pants and the shirt was $1. Make you holla. Okay, so y'all let me know what you think about the shorts and the shirt and everything else in the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Next up, we have this burgundy sweatshirt that was brand new with tag. I pulled the tag off to wash it, you guys. And this is by TEK. And this is a great athletic brand. And it's a nice sweatshirt. I love the length on it. I love the little thumb holes on it. I love the shirts that have the thumb holes on it. And I like the orange in the back. And yeah, I bought some shoestrings that were orange, and that would match with the green and orange sweatshirt, and then this one as well. And I do have some burgundy tennis shoes, so this is going to go with that nicely. Next up, you guys, I have this DKNY little shirt. And if you don't know, DKNY is one of my favorite brands. So when I seen this, I was like, okay, I got to have it. And this is the shirt that I washed with my whites. And I probably shouldn't have did that. But yeah, I love this DKNY shirt. And it was only $1. Y'all know I'm gonna holla. Okay, you guys, so here I am in another sweatshirt, and this is a nice, comfy sweatshirt. It is gray, and again, it was a great price, only $1, and these are going to come in very handy right now because the weather is very cool in the mornings and very cool in the evenings as well. So you can't beat that price, a sweatshirt for $1. Holla. Next up, you guys, we have these little shorts and they are so comfy. They also have a little pocket on the side. I think they are by All Motions, a size 34. And I really like these. They are fitted, but they're comfy. And yeah, we picked these up for $1 because y'all see that pocket on the side. On the side, you can't beat that price with a stick. And then I have on this little dress that I put on as a shirt because this is the last item. And it's a little dress. It's burgundy. I could use this to sleep in or just wear casually. And it was $1, you guys. So that's going to be it for today's haul. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And let me know what you think about the try-on haul. Bye now. Thanks for watching.